Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, it's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, May 16th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. It will be a mainly dry and very warm to hot day across central Alabama today, but a cold front will bring rain and thunderstorms to the area starting late on Sunday. We may also have a tropical or subtropical storm form later today very close to the Florida Peninsula and the Bahamas. More on that in just a moment. As of 5:35 this morning, we have fair skies across much of the area, but there are some clouds out there. Underneath some of those clouds in the northwestern parts of the area, a few light showers were falling mainly over portions of Marion and Franklin counties. This activity is moving mainly to the north. Temperatures were in the upper 50s to the lower 70s across the area. Tuscaloosa was the warm spot at 71 degrees. Gadsden was the cool spot at 58 degrees. Birmingham was sitting at 69 degrees. As we will have very little chance of any showers through the day today, we'll have no risk of severe storms. With an approaching cold front, we'll have the possibility of thunderstorms on late Sunday, but nothing severe is expected. And none is expected on Monday as well, as showers and storms will be exiting the area early on Monday morning. Rainfall amounts through 7 a.m. on next Saturday morning show that not much rain is expected across the area, staying below 1/2 inch for the entire week. Now let's dive into the models as we start off with the 06Z run of the GFS, valid today at 4 p.m. Today will be a very warm to hot day across central Alabama with partly to mostly sunny skies, with only a very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm along the Mississippi state line. Afternoon highs will reach the upper 80s to the lower 90s across the area from northwest to southeast. Rain chances will be a little bit higher across the western parts of the area on Sunday, but much of the area will stay dry throughout much of the daylight hours. Rain chances will begin to increase across the area starting in the late afternoon to early evening hours, as a cold front will be approaching from the west, with storms moving in during the late night and through the overnight hours. Highs will be in the upper 80s to the lower 90s, as skies will continue to be partly to mostly sunny during the day. The cold front moves through the area on Monday, which will bring central Alabama an increased risk of scattered showers and thunderstorms during the morning hours, but the activity should be out of here by the afternoon and cooler air will begin to move in late. We'll have more clouds than sun and highs will be in the upper 70s to the mid 80s. An upper low will get hung up for the rest of the work week just to our northeast, which will keep us in drier continental air, but those temperatures will begin to increase in time. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds on Tuesday with highs reaching the lower 70s to the lower 80s. Wednesday will feature more sun than clouds, and highs will be in the mid 70s to the lower 80s. Much of the same on Thursday, only being a little bit warmer with highs reaching the upper 70s to the mid 80s. And the heat is back on Friday, as highs will be back up in the mid 80s to the lower 90s with mostly sunny skies. Now let's take a look at our tropical mischief just off the coast of Florida. As of 5 a.m. this morning, the surface low of Invest 90L was located just to the east of the southern tip of the Florida Keys, with winds only maxing out at approximately 25 knots. Conditions will become more favorable today, and we could have a tropical or subtropical storm form just northwest of the Bahamas, as it will be moving off to the northeast later in the day. If it does become classified as a storm, its name will be Arthur. Most model members keep it as a mid-level tropical or subtropical storm, but a couple of the members have it becoming a strong storm with winds at or over 55 knots. It will eventually move on out to sea, but rough surf, dangerous rip currents, gusty winds, and tropical rainfall will be possible for the eastern parts of the Florida Peninsula up to the outer banks of North Carolina through the weekend. None of this tropical activity will affect our weather in central Alabama. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Xtreme video. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. Bill Murray will have the next video out on Sunday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.